And I'll tell you what this flexible means. Do not make any changes to your code. I'll show it from my code. I'll show you what happens. I'm removing the flexible from both the widgets. See what happens. You see that? Instead, what happened is we have some problem here. We have some problem which says box constraints forces an infinite width. Fabian, you were asking about this problem, right? And Divya, you were two talking about the same problem. Box constraints force an infinite width. This is the problem because just look at this. I have two columns. Okay, I have two columns here, and within each column there are like two different containers. The problem is we have not explicitly set a width for the container, right? Even for the first container as well as the second container, we haven't set an explicit width that the container will have so and so width. அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம எதுவுமே செட் பண்ணல. What we have done na எவ்வளோ width அது எடுத்துக்கதோ எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம் கரெக்டாக. அதாவது நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளிசிட்டாக இவ்வளோ width தான் எடுக்கணும்னு கொடுக்கல. இன்ஸ்டெட் we are like you can take how much of a width you want, I'll accommodate. அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் கரெக்டாக. So what we are trying is we want both the columns. We have column 1 and column 2, right? We want both the columns to occupy the same amount of it, like half of a screen split பண்ணி கொடுக்குறேன் கரெக்டாக. That's what I'm trying, right? I have this thing. இந்த இடத்துல I have the second container. This is a second container. What I'm trying is I want to split this second container into two equal halves, right? So what I can do is if you wrap any two widgets inside flexibles, like let's say I have widget 1 and widget 2, let's say you are wrapping each of them in a flexible. What happens is the parent widget of the flexible. What's the parent widget here? The row widget. I mean these two flexibles are inside the row widget, right? Where's that one? I can't find the row. Yeah, see these two columns are inside a row, right? The row widget will understand that yeah, the two columns which are present inside will be occupying equal width. That's why we are using the flexible widget. The flexible widget will just tell the row, it will tell the parent widget that all the contents of me and the other widget, we will share whatever space is available. That's why I wanted you to wrap this in the flexible widget. If you do not have a flexible widget, what happens is you have two different columns and each of these columns have two different containers, or you can have more containers. These containers, they don't have a definite width. They don't have a fixed width. Yes, like it's like I don't have ஒரு 200 pixels width நான் occupy பண்ணுவேன் அந்த மாதிரி நான் எங்கேயுமே மென்ஷன் பண்ணல. It's like you can occupy how much of a width you want. But if you do not have a fixed width, then your app will break because there is something called as a render flex. There is something called as a render flex. That is a Dart system level widget. That's a VM level widget. What it does is it is responsible for putting your widgets on the screen. நீங்க some code type பண்றீங்க கரெக்ட்டா, அந்த widgets எல்லாத்தையுமே ஸ்கிரீன்ல ரெண்டர் பண்றதுக்கு this render flex class is responsible. So when you're trying to render some element on the screen, when you're trying to render some widget on the screen which does not have a fixed width or a fixed height, your app will break because the render flex class does not know இதுக்கு எவ்வளவு ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுக்கணும். அதுக்கு தெரியாது. It will not know this is the amount of space that I'm supposed to give. அப்படிங்கிறது render flex classக்கு தெரியாது. That's why we are using the flexible widget, which will tell the superclass, what's superclass here, which will tell the row widget that we both widgets, that is column 1 and column 2, we will share whatever space is available. You do not have to worry about the width or the height. That's why I wanted you to wrap these two widgets in a flexible. So do you get that? Do you understand what we did?